a sunny day, surrounded by the gods of cloud and infrastructure, sits Sherman Crancer, a former Microsoft executive who dedicated his life to helping partners achieve greatness. Working 90 hours a week, wired directly into the mothership, learning, watching, coaching, believing in something greater than possible, he created the Microsoft Partner Super System. This system uses a systematic approach to help partners transform into the partner of tomorrow. His partners grew at an average rate of 42% year over year, and in FY19 produced over $900 million in revenue. The Crancer Group manages a select number of Microsoft partners each year. Contact the Crancer Group and see if you qualify for consideration to be managed and transformed into the partner of tomorrow.
Many partners we work with are very frustrated with working within the Microsoft ecosystem. They're frustrated with how do they sign up for the right programs or get the right incentives. We specialize in helping those Microsoft partners get into the right programs, ensure they're in the right incentives, and put them on a path to grow at least 40% year over year. Next, we actually install a marketing machine program that helps our partners put together a very strategic go-to-market strategy that will put in place a way that they can drive 10 net new opportunities every single month. We look forward to talking with you, so please give us a call.